In this video, I'm going to share with you some key lead generation affiliate marketing tips so you can attract leads to sell whatever product you want to promote online. But before I do that, let's go ahead and roll the intro. Now, before I dive into these exact secrets that I've personally used to generate thousands of leads for affiliate marketing over the last 5 or 6 years, I want to share with you that I have a training on how I'm personally generating over 70 leads a day on autopilot, and you can get access at the link below. But I want to share with you a very quick story. So back when I first started with affiliate marketing, I was going out there and I was trying to figure out how to start generating sales, right? I wanted money into my bank account, and I started watching videos on YouTube, and I got very confused. I got very overwhelmed. Shiny ball syndrome, as we call it, where it's like you're watching one person, they say one thing, and then the next day you get, conflicted information and you're always confused. But one thing I realized that everyone was saying was that I needed to generate leads, right? Leads are the lifeblood of your business. If you start generating leads consistently, you're going to be able to, if you learn how to convert those leads, generate consistent income. So I started studying, and I still had massive trial and error because it's very confusing. But I want to simplify this very simply. So the first thing I want to tell you is you want to choose one lead generation strategy. If you look at every top affiliate marketer, they all started with one main lead generation strategy, okay? This is one main platform, one main place where they got most of their leads. Now, you may see them now and think, well, no, this guy's on Twitter, this guy's on Instagram. Yes, as they became more successful, they started to spread themselves out, but they stuck with one lead generation strategy. So what you want to do is you want to pick one. Now, how do you choose? What's the best one? What you want to understand is there's no real best lead generation strategy because every single platform online has people on it. And if there's people, you can convert those people into a lead and ultimately into a sale and commission. So what you want to ask yourself is, what platform am I naturally on, right? Are you naturally on Facebook? Well, then you can focus on generating leads on Facebook. Are you naturally on Instagram? Focus on Instagram. Are you on YouTube? Focus on YouTube. So for me, when I first started, I was trying to do everything. And then I started realizing, hey, I'm always on YouTube. I'm always watching funny videos. I'm watching other people teaching things. So why don't I just start with YouTube? So for me, that was my path of least resistance. So you want to think about what is your path of least resistance. Now, the second thing is you want to decide on, is free marketing or paid marketing better for you? Because again, they both work, but they're going to depend on your personal situation. So I want to ask you a few questions in this video to help you decide on whether you should focus on free when you first start or focus on paid traffic. So if you're someone that has more free time, right? Maybe you have some more hours in the day. You're kind of, you have a lot of free time, but maybe you don't have a lot of extra money, right? Then for you, I would recommend you do free organic marketing because you're going to have to invest no matter what type of traffic you do. But with free traffic, you're investing your time. So if you don't have a lot of money to invest, you need to invest your time, whether that's posting blogs, creating videos, creating posts on Instagram. You want to focus on free traffic. Now, if you're someone that doesn't have a lot of time, maybe you're working a job, maybe 2 jobs, maybe you have kids, a family, and you have some extra money, then for you, I would recommend you focus on paid traffic. Okay, you want to focus on taking a portion of your paycheck or your income and investing it into advertisements that are designed to generate leads. Okay, because again, you want to use your situation and leverage that so you can create the results you want. You don't want to fight against it. You want to go for the path of least resistance. So again, when I first got started, I was working a job as a waiter. I was barely making ends meet, but I had some time, right? I had a certain shift that I was working, and then the rest of the time I was free. So I started to use the time that I was free to invest my time because I didn't have a lot of money. And then I started to build, I started to get leads, and now I will do some paid traffic, but I still focus on free because that's what I started with. Now, if you do free traffic, I want to focus on free and then give you tips for paid traffic as well in this video. If you focus on free, you can actually go to whatever site you focus on. So let's say you're on Facebook. Let's say your path of least resistance is, you figure out you don't have a lot of extra money, you have more time, you want to do free traffic, and maybe you're on Facebook all the time, so you want to start with Facebook. Now, what you want to do, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, you want to do a couple things in that platform to generate leads. Number one is you want to design a good professional looking profile, okay? You want to actually create, a good photo, okay? If you don't have one, take a photo of yourself. A lot of people, they have a photo of a dog, they have a photo of like some flag. People buy from people, okay? So you want to put a photo of yourself, and then ideally a good cover photo, okay? So this cover photo, you can go to Fiverr.com, you can create that, or you can just go to Google and, find a cover. And then what you want to do is you want to post on your profile two main things: value and results. Okay, and again, it does not matter if you're doing Instagram, it does not matter if you're doing Pinterest. You want to post value. This is tips, information, okay, strategies on whatever your target market would want to know. So it depends on whatever niche you're in. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, the riches are in the niches. You want to pick a specific niche, whether that's health and fitness, whether that's make money online, whether that's relationships. You want to pick a specific niche, and you want to be giving value. So again, this can be tips, this can be training, okay? Kind of like what I'm doing now. I'm in the affiliate marketing niche or the online marketing, and I'm giving tips right now. I'm actually giving value, okay? So I'm doing what I'm preaching. So you want to give tips, you want to give value. So for example, you can see right here, I had a live, okay? A live that was coming up, and I posted this with the link. Now, what does this do, okay? These people are on my friends list, they're seeing this, and they say, hey, this guy is giving value, right? Now, why do we want to give value? Because what happens is people will come to know, like, and trust you, and they'll start to see you as an expert in that field. And when they see you as an expert, they will now take your recommendations when you go ahead and, tell them to buy a product or tell them to find out more information, okay? So we want to be posting value, okay? And then the other thing, you can see right here, this is a value post. The other thing we want to do is we want to post results, okay? Now, results can depend on whatever niche you're in. So in the make money online niche, making money, okay, showing that I had commissions coming in, that's a result. You can see right here, I had a student, okay, about to quit their job. That's a result. That's a testimonial that I'm posting. Now, the reason you want to do this is proving the value that you're teaching. So you're teaching value, and then you're showing results that, hey, this is actually working. Now, again, it depends on whatever niche you're in. So if you're in the health and fitness niche, you can post a testimonial of someone saying they lost weight, or you can show a before and after photo of someone losing weight. So whatever niche you're in, that's going to depend on what value and what result you share. And then one of the last steps on that platform when you do free marketing is you want to always give a call to action. You want to tell people to either comment below or message you for more information. So you're posting, and then you're saying, hey, obviously I can't share everything in this one post. If you want to learn more, message me. And then what happens is people will message you, people will reach out to you, and then you send them your link, whether that's your affiliate link, your website, whatever you're promoting, you send them that link, and now you've generated a lead, okay? Now this works for whatever platform you want to promote. Now with Facebook, with Instagram, it's a little bit more active. You have to post a lot more. At the link below, again, you're going to learn an automated way you can actually start to generate leads using free marketing. But this is just one option. And then if you're doing paid traffic, okay, you want to think about what paid traffic has very few moving pieces. Now, Google Ads, okay, has very few moving pieces. What I mean by that is if you go to Google, ads.google.com, and you start here, you can actually run a Google ad. And a Google ad is basically going to show up, okay, kind of like this. When someone goes to type in a keyword, okay, it's going to share your ad right there. So you can get very specific on the keywords you're targeting. And then you see right here, it's very little moving pieces. What I mean by that is it's just text, right? There's no images. There's no real sales copy. I mean, there's a headline and this ad text right here. So Google Ads is one form of paid traffic that's very easy to start with. Okay, if you do something like YouTube ads or Facebook ads, That's a lot more to it. You have to get really good at targeting. You have to get really good at creating videos and images and writing sales copy. There's a lot more steps. But again, with Google Ads, for example, you just write a headline and an ad text and learn how to target the right keywords, and you can start getting traffic to whatever link you want, generating leads. So these are just some powerful tips I wanted to share with you as far as lead generation, affiliate marketing style, right? But you can apply this to any business online. If you got value in this video and you want me to make more videos just like this, be sure to like this video. Also subscribe to the bell icon. I'm going to be posting more videos on how to get traffic, leads, and sales with affiliate marketing. And also be sure to go to the link below and get access to that training where I walk you through exactly how to get 70 plus leads, or how I'm doing that. And you can do the same in your business. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.